Everyone, this is Y. Satyavinod, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, BVC Engineering College, Wadal Revu. Today we are going to discuss about Wayne's Bridge. So here, the Wayne bridge is used to measure the unknown frequency, and it consists of the arm 1, the combination of R and C, and it also consists of the arm 2, that is R2 we are having, and arm 3 is combination of the parallel combination of R and C, and we are having the arm 4 R4. And this Wayne bridge is also used for measuring the unknown capacitance also. And here we are having the impedance of arm 1, the impedance of arm 1, Z1 equal to R1 minus J omega C1, and the admittance of parallel arm, the admittance of the parallel arm Y3 equal to 1 by R3 plus J omega C3, J omega C3. So now by using the bridge balance equation, we have Z1 Z4 is equal to Z2 Z3. So therefore Z1 Z4 is equal to Z2 by Y3. So Z2 is equal to Z1 Z4 into Y3. Therefore R2 is equal to R4 into R1 minus J by omega C1, into 1 by R3 plus J omega C3, that equal to, by simplifying this one, R1 R4 by R3 minus J R4 by omega C1 R3 plus J omega C3 R1 R4 plus C3 R4 by C1. So that equal to R1 R4 by R3 plus C3 R4 by C1 minus J into R4 by omega C1 R3 minus omega C3 R1 R4. Now equating the real and imaginary parts, equating real and imaginary parts, R2 equal to R1 R4 by R3 plus C3 R4 by C1 and R4 by omega C1 R3 minus omega C3 R1 R4 is equal to 0. Therefore, R2 by R4 is equal to R1 by R3 plus C3 by C1. That is the equation 1. Equation 1. And 1 by omega C1 R3 equal to omega C3 R1. That one is this equation 2. 1 by C1 R3 equal to omega C3 R1. Therefore, omega square equal to 1 by C1 R1 R3 C3 and omega equal to 1 by square root of C1 R1 R3 C3 and omega equal to, as we know omega equal to 2 pi f. Therefore f equal to 1 by 2 pi square root of C1 R1 C3 R3. That is equation 3. And here this one is the unknown frequency. And here this Wien bridge is used for measuring frequency in the audio range. The resistances R1 and R3 can be generated together to have identical values. Capacitors C1 and C3 are normally of fixed values. And coming to the applications, this bridge is used in harmonic distortion analyzer as a notch filter, and in audio frequency and radio frequency oscillators as a frequency determining element. The accuracy of 0.5% to 1% can be obtained using this bridge. Because it is a frequency sensitive, it is difficult to balance unless the waveform of the applied voltage is purely sinusoidal.